Lightweight. And if you think you can do a heavyweight, by all means, go for it. So we set it down. Come down into our ab hold. Ready, and up, up, grab, row, kick, spin and stack, bring it down, up, up, reach, row, kick, spin, down, and drop. You get the rhythm now. Flow through it. Breathe. Focus. It's only 30 seconds. It's not an eternity. One more, guys. Last time. Grab, pull, kick, up, and down. Okay, back into bear. Hands and the balls of the feet, knees an inch off the ground. Ready, and pop, pop. Now you see Nick, she's clapping. You see my girl Nat, she's only tapping the feet. The middle is this, little pops, little pops. And the ridiculous advanced, clap the feet and the hands. 2 more, baby, up. Last one. Now that's just silly, isn't it? It's just silly. All right, light dumbbell again, static Supermans, guys. Get in position, on our back. This time I want you to pass in the opposite direction. Arms out in front, and reach, and grab. Now notice, as she's passing the dumbbell behind her back, as she gets higher with every pass and uses the counterbalance of the weight to get an even deeper contraction there. Beautiful job. 2 more, you guys. Last one, all the way around and down. Okay, light weights, sit-ups with dumbbell punches. Here we go. We're in position. Got the hand weights. Coming down and punch across the knees. So you're getting that twist as well as the sit-up with the resistance. And punch about head level. Last one after this. Set the weights down. Immediately plant the hands on the ground. From right here, legs come up and pivot and twist. I can't do this one very well because I have a microphone pack right in my spine. So we're gonna use the girls to show you perfect form on this one, because I think they come through for us just fine every time. All right, remember, we can always bend the knees, and I don't want you to throw the feet. I want you to lift the feet. See how she's not tossing her legs over her head and using momentum? She's isolating those lower abs, taking a little pelvic tilt. One more, baby, right here. Lift and pop. Beautiful. Okay. Circuit 3, you're halfway. Stand it up for me. Now, grab a dumbbell. Nat, no weight for you, okay, baby? Hold your dumbbell in both hands. We get a side lunge with a rotation and hop. Follow us. Lunge, twist, jump and press. Lunge and twist, jump and press. There's a lot happening as always, so let's check it out. We've got a side lunge with that torso rotation up and back, cranking through the core, and then we've got that knee drive for the abs. Beginners, it's real simple. Same exact thing without the jump, okay, to help you get through the movement without worrying about balance. Last one here, and jump. Nice. Now, twisting lunge. So, open up the arms. We're going to step into a backwards lunge. Here we go. Back, tap, up, opposite leg. Look back, tap the heel. This you need to do slowly or you will fall. The modification is a lesser range of motion. We're stepping back and crossing over, opposite hand to the foot. Reaching for that heel. You go as far down as you can manage. Wow. Nick doesn't miss a beat. She just refuses. This is it right here, and hold. Perfect, guys. Okay. Now, single leg burpee with a push-up. Raise the leg. Come down. Jump. Push-up. And stand. Come down. Push-up. Stand. Okay. That's on both feet, and trust me, it's plenty hard. The real challenge here is to stabilize with your core as you come up, drop, and Nick falls right into the move. This is it, babe. Last one. Beautiful. Check out that fluidity. Fantastic, you guys. Okay. Now I want us to come into a side plank, okay? On the hand, not the forearm. Palm down, wrist under the shoulder. Arm is up. And you're gonna kick that foot out in front of you. And then kick the top leg out in front of you. Bottom, top. The modifier is just holding side plank because this move is so advanced. Just a static side plank is hard enough. So don't feel ashamed if you're here. Now, Nick, watch how she's folding right down the middle, right across her abs. 2 more, baby. And look at this perfect position in her arm. 1 more. Excellent. Come down. So you see she had the hand right underneath the shoulder blades back. We're facing forward now. We've got hanging mountain climbers. Everybody in position? Ready? And. So you see the hike. The arms are locked. Locking out the arms and jumping through the legs and lifting with the abs to get my little hang time right in the middle. Nat, right here, mountain climbers. And what you can do is double time them. And that's the middle. Beautiful. Give me 2 more, Nick. And see how the booty hangs in the air? Last one. Beautiful, babe. Perfect. Now we take it from the top. You know it, but we're switching sides. So we grab our dumbbell. Heavier the weight, the harder it is. I say it again and again and again. So push yourself one day. Pick a heavier weight. Everyone ready? Okay, take it over and back. Rip. Up and jump. Up and jump. Now with this move, don't do this. Make sure that knee is not over the toe. Sit back and down and then rip your core up and behind you with a twist and thrust the knee for the abs at the top. 1 more, really sit deep and shoot it. Beautiful. Okay, twisting lunge. Same thing. Just like you did last time. Feet together. Arms are up. Step back. Touch the foot with the opposite hand. And up. Step back. And up. And it really helps if you look behind you. Look where you're placing your hand or you'll lose your balance. Okay. Beginners, remember, if you reduce the range of motion like Nat is, and you come a couple inches away from the heel, you're still getting the rotation in the workout, but you don't have to get all the way down. 1 more for me, Nick. Now notice Nick is twisting and tapping that foot all the way, and hold. Beautiful. Okay, single leg burpees, opposite leg is off the ground. Don't forget the push-up. Ready? Here we go. Calm down, drop, stabilize. And breathe. Exhale. Inhale down, support your core. Jump, hold. 2 more. Last time. And up. Really well done, guys. Okay, side plank, opposite side. So, come into position, stack the arms, and kick the feet. Here we go. Kick, back, kick, back, kick. And you might not have as much flexibility. Nick has great flexibility. She's kicking her foot like all the way up towards her chest. My hamstrings scream when I get past my belly button. The idea here is to just focus on crunching your abs in your side plank. And for those of you who aren't ready for it, maybe try a kick or 2 and then hang out in plank. Last kick, guys. Right there. Super. Hanging mountain climbers. Back into position. Ready, and. And what I don't want you to do is this. The minute you bend those arms, you put all of this in your shoulders, you're gonna cave. I need you to lock your arms. Make sure the wrists are underneath the shoulders. and lift your belly to the sky. 2 more. 1 more. Perfect. Okay. Circuit 4. Stay here. Come into an ab hold. Now from this position, raise one arm and one leg. And now, fly. Out and in. Natalie is just going to hold this position here without the flutter. Totally straight spine. Nick, on the other hand, out and in. Slow. 1 more, baby. Last one. And down. That's got to be the most challenging move on the whole workout right there. So if you got through that, you should be darn proud. Clapping mountain climbers. Come down. Okay, I'm going to show you how it's done. Is everyone ready? Do these slow. Land with a bent arm. And go. Okay, now, Matt's right back here with her mountain climbers. Nick is jumping through the legs. And notice how when she lands, her arms are slightly bent. She's like slamming her wrists into the ground, okay? 3 more, 2 more, 1 more. This next one is about your range of motion. So we come down onto the ground, knees are bent, arms are locked, feet are off to the side. Up and over, and up, over. So the higher you get your bum into the air, the harder it is. Matt's just got little plank moguls going side to side. Nick is getting all the way up there, kicking herself right in the booty for 3, 2, and we'll call that 1. I'll let you get away with that. Okay, now, grab your weights. Here's a little secret. In this move, it might actually be a tiny bit easier with a heavier weight, and I'll show you why. Come into hollow man. Legs are up, arms are 90. Press, fly, scoop, release, and press, fly, scoop, return. 1 more, guys. The reason that the heavier weight might be easier is because it's counterbalancing you, helping you to hold up the lower body. And hold. Beautiful job. Okay, now from here, last move in this circuit, turn it back around. We got our squat thrust combo, bent leg, straight leg. Start out in plank, and jump it in, out, lift, back, bend, shoot, straighten, back. Position of the arms does not change. The only difference is you tuck into a little ball, and then you pike your booty up to the sky. Locking those arms straight. Good, guys. Give me 1 more here. Straight legs, and back. Perfect. So we're coming back into that uneven ab hold, down to the ground, opposite arm, opposite leg. So here we go. We're here. Get balanced, and reach, and from here, little movement, because even we kind of fall over, just a little flutter, open and closed. And if you can't do it, that's okay. If you're falling, just hold. It's hard. It's really hard. So let's hold this for 2 more seconds. Like even Nick feels it. If Nick feels it, it's freaking hard. Give me 1 more, babe. That's it. 1 more. Good job. All right, now, back to the clapping mountain climber. So let's get in position. Ready? And. Good. Hop off those legs. Lift the tongue. Shoot off the ground. Land on a bent leg. 3, 2, 1. Perfection. Up and over. Everyone get in position. Arms are locked. Knees are bent. And shoot. And think about pulling your heels into your tush. If you collapse the arms here, You'll land on your head. I need you to lock those arms. Hold the shoulder.